When it comes to replacing the windows in your Laurel home, choosing the right contractor is just as important as selecting the windows themselves. While national chains and big box retailers may offer convenience, working with local window experts delivers a level of personalized service, quality, and accountability that's hard to beat. From better understanding of regional needs to trusted community reputation, there are plenty of reasons why Laurel homeowners should turn to local professionals for their window replacement projects. In-depth knowledge of local climate and building code. Laurel's weather can be unpredictable, from humid summers and winter cold snaps to occasional high winds and heavy storms. Local window experts understand the unique climate challenges of the area and can recommend the best window solutions to suit your specific needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient options to lower utility bills or impact-resistant windows for added storm protection, a local pro will know what works best in your neighborhood. Additionally, local professionals are well-versed in Laurel's building codes and permitting processes. This ensures that your window installation is compliant with all local regulations, reducing the risk of costly delays or fines. Personalized, hands-on service. When you hire a local window company, you're not just another order number, you're a neighbor. Local experts take the time to understand your goals, preferences, and budget, offering tailored recommendations instead of one-size-fits-all solutions. From the initial consultation to the final installation, you'll experience a level of attention and care that larger corporations often can't match. Many local businesses rely on positive word of mouth and repeat customers, which means they are more likely to go the extra mile to ensure your satisfaction. That commitment translates into better customer service and long-term support. Faster response times and reliable communication. One of the biggest frustrations homeowners face with national companies is slow or inconsistent communication. With local window experts, help is never far away. Whether you need to reschedule an appointment, ask a question about your order, or request a service call, having a local team means you can count on quicker response times and more direct communication. If anything goes wrong after the installation, a local company can send a technician out promptly to inspect and address the issue. No long holds or out-of-town scheduling headaches. Trusted community reputation. Local window experts build their reputation one homeowner at a time. In communities like Laurel, where neighbors talk and reviews matter, local companies are especially motivated to maintain high standards of craftsmanship and service. Before hiring, you can easily check reviews from other Laurel residents, ask for local references, or even visit homes where the company has done previous work. This kind of transparency helps you feel more confident in your choice and ensures you're working with a team that genuinely cares about your satisfaction. Support for the local economy. When you choose a local window expert, you're not just improving your home, you're supporting Laurel's economy. Local companies often source materials from nearby suppliers, employ residents from your community, and give back through local events, sponsorships, and charities. Your investment stays in the community and helps strengthen the local business ecosystem. Better warranties and continued support. Many national companies offer warranties, but local experts often provide more accessible, hands-on service when warranty work is needed. You're not just calling a customer service hotline. You're calling someone who installed your windows, knows your home, and is invested in maintaining their local reputation. This makes future maintenance, repairs, or upgrades much easier and more reliable. Final thoughts. Your home is one of your most valuable investments, and when it's time to replace your windows, you want a team you can trust. Local window experts in Laurel offer the personalized service, regional expertise, and long-term reliability that national chains simply can't replicate. From better communication to superior craftsmanship and community commitment, local professionals are the smart, customer-focused choice for homeowners who want peace of mind and lasting results. So when it's time to upgrade your windows, consider going local. You and your home will be glad you did.